myself. What are you doing?
She's recording stuff that she can't get now.
Too bad I didn't get the abusive one.
Oh. I am not abusive. I love you.
Mom.
Want me to sing to you?
Mom. You...
Time to wake up in the morning. Morning time. Time to wake up in the morning. Oh, we're supposed to sing Christmas songs.
Mom, you're not supposed to sing It's Midnight.
Tom the Terrier.
Well, this will work. Okay. What?
Mom, you started laughing and you couldn't even keep a straight face when you were saying how loving you are.
Oh, I'm sorry, but it's all I could do. Let's see, this is not how my mother taught me to wrap. You stick the tape in the middle. Wrap this shit around it.
Wow.
Stick it like through the hole or something. Pull it through. And maybe it'll look good. If you're lucky. Here. It's beautiful, isn't it? It's like Martha Stewart's gift wrapping. But more fun. There. See? This is the finished product. It's beautiful.
Did you see the side?
Mary, what? Can you look at this side? Just look at this part.
Ow! I got proof you're abusive.